MLP, Miyakoshi Label Press, is a high-performance web offset press which gives customers higher profitability, realizing low wastage, high productivity, and stable print quality. This is offered by means of business form-originated shaftless technology, Miyakoshi original roller configuration, long repeat length of 355.6 millimeters, and a highly refined NC control system called Techno-E. The MLP series is comprised of 3 types, with a print width of 10, 13, and 16 inches. Each of them has a long repeat length of 355.6 millimeters, which is effective for jobs which contain a lot of labels in one repeat, or for jobs with big size labels. The technical specifications of each MLP is the same, except for web width and print width. What's important is that the running speed is not dependent on repeat print length. In other words, MLP can run at its maximum speed of 200 impressions per minute no matter how long. The repeat length is from 127 millimeters to 355.6 millimeters. With regard to the difference between MLP and other machines, let's discuss the roller configuration first. On the MLP, 4 oscillating rollers are mounted, while others normally have 3. There are also ink form rollers. Because of this difference in roller configuration, MLP can supply ink to the plate more stably, making it possible to suppress the unevenness of ink. Through this, MLP reduces wastage with stabilized printing. Normally, other machines have a 1-step-back roller for web delivery. The MLP has 2 rollers at the unwind unit and processing unit. These rollers are synchronized by independent servo-driven motors, so the pitch and tension of the web are well controlled, resulting in optimal register between colors. Shaftless driving makes it possible to operate each unit apart from one another, so preparation has been reduced. And without a line shaft, there is no backlash of gears or mechanical loss, resulting in a stable register. Furthermore, less lubrication oil is required, plus vibration and noise are reduced due to fewer gears than in usual machines. The interface of MLP consists of buttons and a touchscreen in which a center control system called Techno-E is integrated. Operations, which once required an experienced operator, such as register adjustment, pitch control, or dampening adjustment, are now controlled numerically through the system. As such, MLP is a press which can even be used by an unexperienced operator. Techno-E aims for simplification of operation. The workflow processor aims to reduce waste and consists of the following functions. The main function of the workflow processor is to facilitate start and finish. This function optimizes the amount of ink on the roller by controlling the timing of the on and off impression, thus preventing ink and paper from being wasted. As a result, the workflow processor reduces material costs. The most important feature of MLP is its long repeat length, which is effective for multi-label layouts. For example, when producing this kind of label, the layout in one repeat is significantly different compared with other machines. Furthermore, the running speed of MLP is not subject to repeat length, as other machines are. Therefore, MLP can run at its maximum speed of 200 impressions per minute, even with its longest repeat size, resulting in 1.8 times higher productivity. MLP is comprised of 6 units: unwind, offset printing, lamination, die cutting, matrix rewind, and rewind. This is the standard composition of MLP. This is the unwind unit. A roll up to 700 millimeters can be mounted by using a lifter. A pneumatic shaft tightly holds a roll, and a sectional motor maintains optimal register. The offset printing unit runs intermittently with a sectional motor. So there is no need to change cassettes to alter printing size anymore. And there are few printing gaps too. Compared with existing machines, there are more oscillating rollers and ink form rollers mounted, achieving high and stable label production. While wet offset is standard, waterless offset is also available as an option. This is the lamination unit, which runs just as well as the offset unit. This unit makes it possible to produce value-added labels by sticking transparent film onto printed substrates. There is no temperature control requirement because sticky film is being used. This is the variable die cutting unit with a magnetic cylinder. Job changes are easily carried out by simply changing the flexible dies. It's very useful for short-run jobs. After die cutting, this matrix rewind unit winds the unnecessary parts of the self-adhesive paper. Thanks to the shaft drive system, even narrow-width waste can be stably wound up. This is the sectional-driven rewind unit as well as the unwind unit. Due to the center drive control, it is possible to adjust tension even while the press is running. In addition to this standard composition, many value-adding units, such as the flexo unit and hot foil stamping unit, are available for online integration. Thus, various types of labels can be produced in one process. Optional equipment and functions are available to meet the various demands of end users. For example, options like the automatic ink washer and the ink fountain remote controller will reduce make-ready. There are also additional options for business form labels like the marginal puncher and folder. As we have explained, Miyakoshi's MLP offers many outstanding merits. The Miyakoshi original roller configuration offers high and stable print quality, easy-to-use interface through the Techno-E numerical control system, optimal and stable register by shaftless drive, low material wastage with a workflow processor, high productivity by long print repeat length, and high flexibility due to our built-to-order style of manufacturing. With these merits, we are confident that MLP will be a reliable partner in today's diversified label market. Everything is for the customer. Miyakoshi.